we have an example number 1. 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. So, ipa-factor natin using the grouping techniques or the AC method. First step is to find the product of the leading term and the last term. So, ita-times natin yung leading term at saka yung last term. Yung 4x squared at saka yung 3. So, 4x squared, leading term siya kasi siya yung may pinakamataas na exponent. Okay? So, 4x squared times 3 equals 12x squared. Then, the next step, find the factor of 12x squared whose sum is 8x. So, ipa-factor natin yung 12x squared. Dapat yung factor niya, pag pinag-add natin, it is equal to 8x. Which is, yun yung middle term ng given trinomial natin. Okay? Factor 12x squared, we have 6x times 2x. Another one, we have 3x times 4x. Next, we have 1x times 12x. So, yun yung mga factors ng 12x squared. Okay? The next step is kukunin natin yung sum. Okay? Dapat ang makuha nating sum is 8x, which is yun yung middle term ng trinomial. Okay? Now, we add 6x plus 2x equals 8x. So, 8x. Okay, yan na yung sum natin, which is nasa trinomial. Okay, try natin yung mga susunod na factors. 3x plus 4x equals 7x. So, 1x plus 12x equals 13x. Therefore, ang gagamitin natin, since meron tayong nakuhang sum, which is 8x, yung nasa middle term ng trinomial natin, yung 6x at saka 2x ang gagamitin nating factor. Okay, next step, since ang factor natin ay 6x times 2x, pag pinag-add natin, it is equal to 8x. Okay, step number 3, rewrite the trinomial as 4-term expressions by replacing the middle term by the sum factor. So, yung 6x at saka yung 2x ay i-insert natin. Okay, ito yung given trinomial natin for x squared plus 8x plus 3. So, next step, gagawin natin siyang 4-term expressions. Insert natin yung 6x at saka yung 2x. So, it becomes 4x squared plus 6x plus 2x plus 3. Okay, next step, group terms with common factors. Okay, igugrupo natin yung 4 terms which is dapat magkakatabi yung may common factors. Okay, yung 4x squared at saka yung 6x, may common sila, but yung 2x at saka 3 is wala. So, ang gagawin natin, pagpapartnerin natin or igugroup natin yung 4x squared at saka yung 2x. Okay, common silang dalawa sa 2x. And then next, we have to group 6x and 3. So, ang magpartner ay 6x at saka 3 since ang common nila ay 3. Okay, so iaayos na natin, pagtatabihin na natin yung merong common which is yung 4x squared at saka yung 2x and 6x and 3. Okay, magiging 4x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 3. So, nagpalit ng pwesto yung 2x at saka yung 6x. Then, the next step is, i-group na natin yung expression natin. So, we have now the quantity of 4x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 3. Okay, number 5, factor the groups using greatest common monomial factor. Okay, ang common dito is 2x. So, kung ang common ay 2x, i-divide natin siya. 4x squared divided by 2x, the answer is 2x. Okay, and the next, 2x divided by 2x, the answer is 1. Okay, so yan yung factor ng first binomial natin or first group. Next, second group, 6x plus 3 common factor is 3. So, divide natin. 6x divided by 3, the answer is 2x. And then 3 divided by 3 equals positive 1. Okay, so yan yung factor ng pangalawang binomial natin or pangalawang group. Okay, now we have 2x times the quantity of 2x plus 1 plus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. Okay, next we have step number 6. Factor out the common binomial and write the remaining factor as sum or difference of binomial. So we have now 2x times the quantity of 2x plus 1 plus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Okay, ang gagawin natin dyan is ipa-factor out natin. So, yan yung tinatawag nating common binomial. Okay, so factor out 2x plus 1 and then write the remaining factor. So, ang remaining factor natin is 3 at saka yung 2x. Okay, so gugroup lang natin yung dalawa. Then, now we have 2x plus 3. So, the quantity of 2x plus 1 times the quantity of 2x plus 3 is the factor of 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. Okay, again, pinactor out ang common and then pinagsama ang remaining factor. Okay, so ngayon naman tuturo ko sa inyo yung trial and error method. Using the given 4x squared plus 8x plus 3, okay, pa-factor natin siya gamit ang trial and error method. Okay, so the first step, since 4x squared plus 8x plus 3 is quadratic, so magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang factors which is dalawang binomial factors. So, kaya ang una muna natin gawin is to factor the first term which is 4x squared. Okay? So, ang factor ng 4x squared is 2x times 2x. Okay? Another factor is 1x or x times 4x. Using trial and error method, so eto na, yung first, itatry natin yung first factor ng 4x squared which is 2x times 2x. Okay, lalagay natin siya sa unang term ng binomial. Yung isa sa unang term ng pangalawang binomial factor. Yan ang unang finactor natin which is 2x times 2x. Pero kapag mali ang sagot natin, papalitan uli natin. Okay, so trial and error. Okay, next i-factor natin yung 3. Ang factor ng 3 is 1 times 3. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, so 1 times 3, so since yan lang naman ang factor niya, okay, ilalagay natin doon sa second term ng first binomial yung 1, and then yung 3, lalagay doon sa second term ng pangalawang binomial factor natin. Okay, or pwede namang pagbalik na rin. Okay, so meron na tayong 2x and 1 sa first binomial, 2x and 3 sa second binomial factor. Okay, so paano natin kukunin yung middle sign ng bawat factor? Ano kaya yung sign na ilalagay natin? Okay, para makuha yung sign ng dalawang factors natin, ang gagawin natin, check natin yung middle term. Okay, so imumultiply natin yung 1 times 2x. The answer is 2x. Then 2x times 3, the answer is 6x. And then, i-add natin yung dalawa, yung 2x at saka yung 6x. Pero wala siyang sign. Okay, check natin, dapat ang makuha nating sagot dyan ay kung ano yung middle term, which is 8x, positive 8x. Okay, so ano yung sign ng 2x at saka ng 6x para ang sagot natin dyan ay positive 8x. Okay, kung positive 2x at saka positive 6x, pag pinag-add natin, 8x. Okay, therefore, since positive ang 2x, dapat positive ang middle sign ng first factor. Okay, and then positive 6x, kaya ang middle sign ng pangalawang factor na 2x and 3 is positive din. Okay, so dapat yung 8x o yung result natin dito na 8x, match doon sa middle term na positive 8x. Okay, pero pag iba yung nakuha sa result natin, pag pinag-add natin yung 2x at 6x, okay, ibig sabihin, hindi factor yung dalawang binomial. So, ibig sabihin, magta-try tayo ng another factor. Okay, hanggang sa maging tama yung middle term na makuha natin.